The Goku smartwatch with fitness tracker features is built to have military-grade durability, so it can handle everything from dustproof, shockproof and waterproof. Welcome back, it's Adam from Family Pop TV. Stay with me if you want to find out more. The Goku brand was founded in 1999 and has gained a good reputation amongst the budget smartwatch manufacturers over the last couple of years. One of the Goku's latest devices, a smartwatch called S11, has a beautiful shiny finish, giving the smartwatch a modern look. The S11 comes with a sporty design that is thin and lightweight. The body is made out of zinc alloy. It has a waterproof sporty TPU soft silicone strap with a stainless steel buckle. S11 has a standard 22mm straps and hinges, so you could try on any straps of any colors as long as they are 22mm. S11 looks good and it's having an IP67 waterproof rating, so no worries about getting it wet while washing your hands or taking a bath or even swim. We have done a simple waterproof test just to find out if the S11 is really waterproof. To recap, IP67 means the unit can be dropped into a body of water up to a meter deep for half an hour, and it's obviously resistant to dust. The S11 is available worldwide on Amazon. You can get it on Amazon Italy and Spain for around €45. The Amazon France for around €49, Amazon Deutschland für 46 Euro, the Amazon US for around $45 American, and Amazon UK for around 43 British pounds. If you're thinking about getting one, there's an Amazon affiliate link in this video description where you can find one for the best possible prices. Let's get to the more technical details. We got here our PPG sensors at the plastic back panel of the watch. There are also magnetic charging pins, and there is one button on the right side of the case. The smartwatch is powered by a Realtek 8762C ultra-low power system-on-chip solution which supports Bluetooth 5.0 core specification. The display screen is a color 1.28-inch IPS LCD touchscreen display with 240 by 240 pixel resolution. The display provides a clear visual experience as it has vivid, bright colors that makes it easy to read the text and information. The display has 4 steps of brightness. I'm using the 4th one as it's bright and vivid enough and it's better visible in a bright sunlight. Besides, the light automatically turns on as you move your wrist up. The S11 uses the Glorifit companion app that you install on your phone, which is where you set and control most of the functionality. You'll have to scan a QR code with your smartphone to get to the Apple Store on Google Play, as the app is compatible with both iOS and Android. Here in the app, you will get some nice graph of your activities, set your goals, notification, etc. And it gives you control on everything the S11 has to offer. It has an overall nice layout and items are arranged in a logical way. You're not hunting around for the mislabeled features. Now, if we swipe to the right on the display, we got here the first widget, which is a sports tracking. That gives you an access to the 24, yes, a 24, wow, that's a huge exercise selection comparing to the other budget smartwatches. So it has running, cycling, swimming, skipping, badminton, table tennis, tennis, alpinism, walking, basketball, football, baseball, volleyball, cricket, rugby, hockey, dancing, spinning bike, yoga, sit-ups, a treadmill, gymnastics, boating, and the jumping jacks. You can easily keep track of these exercises in real time directly on the watch, and it allows you to understand your physical condition. The S11 hasn't got a GPS on board, so you can't track your position during workout directly with the watch, but the companion app can use your phone's GPS data to record your location during your exercise. The S11 has got an automatic wrist movement detection. This can be turned on within the companion app. However, it hasn't got an automatic exercise detection, so you'll have to turn the exercise manually before starting your workout. The next widget is a heart rate measurement. The S11 is pretty accurate in monitoring the heart rate. We have compared the heart rate readings from our S11 with the medical pulse oximeter, which has got a high accuracy of the heart rate measurements. As you can see, the S11 performs just fine. The heart rate is pretty accurate. Obviously, during any exercises, the heart rate measurements might fluctuate a bit. However, this is still on a satisfactory level. Don't forget, this isn't a medical device, so the readings are basically for reference only. And this is the blood pressure monitor. The measurements take several seconds, then the results being displayed on the screen. The blood pressure readings contains of two readings. The first number, called systolic blood pressure, measures the pressure in your arteries when your heart beats. The second number, called diastolic blood pressure, measures the pressure in your arteries when your heart rests between beats. The next widget in the menu when you swipe the display to the left is a step counter or pedometer if you like. The distance and calories organized in a static wheel. I like it as it gives you a clear and visible readings without the necessity to go through the whole menu. The step counter is as accurate as the most other basic smartwatches I've had a chance to review. It gives you an estimation readings, but it's pretty accurate. For every 100 steps I counted, the watch counted around 103 steps. I am totally happy with that. The next widget is a sleep tracker, which can provide a measurement of the length of your sleep, including fall asleep and wake up time. It struggled a bit to give me the accurate readings when I went to bed late. Sometimes it didn't even trigger the tracking. Another useful feature, a stopwatch, can be found here. It pushes the weather info from your phone. To use this function, the watch has to be connected with your phone. It pushes the notifications about incoming text messages and social apps messages, as well as notifications about incoming calls. You can't pick up the incoming call, you could only drop it. It will work only when your watch is connected with your smartphone. The good thing is, the smartwatch can vibrate to notify you of incoming calls and messages. The smartwatch has some degree of customization. You can pick and download a selection of available watch faces through the companion app. You can also create your own customized watch face using any photo or image from your smartphone as a background. Scale it and crop it, and here you go. It's being sent to the watch almost instantly. Now, this is an example of a custom watch face. If you create your own watch face or download the watch face from the app selection, you could only store one watch face in the smartwatch at a time. To quickly change the watch face, just press and hold it for about 3 seconds and then choose between 4 factory watch faces and your customized one. It's got a high intensity 300 mAh lithium polymer battery, which, as manufacturer states, allows you to use the watch for 5 to 7 days between the charging, assuming you'll use the watch heavily every day. If you would use the watch without constant connection with your smartphone, and this is what I do, the battery will last up to a month, but obviously that depends only on how much you use the screen. Full charge takes up to 2 hours, that's not bad. As you can see, this is a pretty simple and definitely good looking device. It's got all the basics you'll need to track your fitness goals. It wasn't designed to do such as reply to messages, nor does it have its own connection to the internet, which I'm guessing is a part of the reason for the fantastic battery life. The efficient low power consumption processor also contributes to the ultra long battery life. To sum up, if you're looking for an inexpensive smartwatch and activity tracker, this fills the bill quite nicely, and it's fashionable and has a stylish design. You won't be disappointed with your purchase. I'm personally impressed with this little watch. If you think the S11 is the right one for you, don't miss this out. If you're thinking about buying this one, there's an Amazon link in the video description when you could find it for the fair price. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it pretty informative. Please show us some love, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to Family Pop TV.